What's good, YouTube? We are back with another video. This one, as you can see from the title, I am going to show you how to maintenance wash your Stealth PPF vehicle. In this case, I have my M3 2021 G80 M3 that is stealth wrapped over tanzanite blue. So I'll be pretty much running through how I wash it, the chemicals I use, the steps I use. It's just pretty much just gonna be me doing it. I'll clip it so that it's nice and smooth and seamless and quick. So then you just get an idea of, you know, what I use and what works and how easy it is. Especially once you get the, recommend getting your wrap coated, which I have on mine. This is the coat that I use here. So the wrap is coated, the PPF is coated with that. And I'll spin you around so you can see the car. Alright, so this is it. Again, Stealth PPF, tanzanite blue. Some products that I like to use. This is really good. It's what I use for a foam wash. It's very, it's not as aggressive. Works really good. Doesn't have any gloss additives, which is good for the stuff. This right here I use as a drying aid or as a quick detailer. It looks really good as well. Foam cannon, Gride's favorite foam cannon, pressure washer, yada yada yada. For the bucket that I keep my foam in, I've used this. Just adds a lot of lubricant. Just makes it, you know, grabs a lot of dirt. It keeps it smooth on the surface and yeah, makes the wash a lot easier. So again, thank you for watching and enjoy the show. Alright, and there you have it. We got done with the wash. As you can see, pretty simple steps. 2-bucket wash, 1 bucket for the wheels. Clean the wheels first, rinse, foam, let it sit. Use another soapy solution to wash from top to bottom. And then rinse off, drying aid, dry, tire dressing, and you are all set. Hope you enjoyed the video. All the products that I use will be linked down in the description, so if you need a quick link to go get those, click that button down there. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video. Hopefully it added some value. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you're not as afraid of Stealth PPF as most people are. You just got to get the right products and keep it clean, and don't put any type of like wax additives on it to mess up the finish of the sheen of the Stealth look. So that is it for today, and until the next one, we are out. Peace.